Honorable Afenyo Makin nipa bakubia eni obo MPP amanyoko na untimi enyi ni din enfenfefi se MP no ade wotumi edi acheye pass si ano yetimi akyere na hyemu a oyedom kuma no ba no deni e o mahwebedefie nkane no no ye majority leader ni ebeto aba no bomodin a ekoka so ye minority a no ne buafu na ye bon konkon poko ye chia na anu ya NDC for eba abemu a speaker ekoka say the mini micro minority na enye is the cry of parliament ha papa obi a na ni edinye pa na ono soso no ontena ho ma wonfa nkwasese mu ndi no ye ka Afenyo Makina ye uboni dia no mu say oyobi a oye jata na pa wo parliament house na no MPP school ya omutimi ebia no wo manyimu ayenam so ma MPP amanyoko atitiri wanim tire ne etochowro ekopie mu wo honom na papa ye den sembi etudwa ana wo kase mpempen so wadu wo abrabo we mu no ye kase niema bia wonya wo abrabo mu nyina no ode suboni na ebekọ ama MPP amanyoko esan no kwaredie ene na dwuma so a woye edebo amanyoko no eno na de na bedum pempen so a wadre ndi de na busua ewo bia bibia ewo ne nsem anase japade bia wayo fiti tama start eba abemu ebesi ne nyina no ode eye aseda no anase ode praises ne nyina ebekọ ede ama NPP amanyoko na enye sa keke bibi eka ho de ka ho ene ne se opese wo achieve bibi ewo amanyoko bi mu a wo se onya lawyer undi no krep enfama amanyoko no ebusan yentie Honorable Afenyo Makin minority leader wabra waka how far MPP edeno abedru so far.
Today we are reminded of the principle of loyalty. And these are stories that define us, not as abstract political narratives. They are living testimonies of ordinary Ghanaians who chose principles and conviction over convenience. These stories remind us why loyalty to our cause transcends momentary dissatisfaction. And let me tell you about the true costs of the principles we claim to cherish. And let me make it personal, because these principles were forged in the furnace of my own family suffering. First was my mother, a dedicated pupil teacher. She lost her livelihood because she refused to bend the knee to the 31st December Women's Movement, and as a result, she was redeployed, a weapon that they used. And she stood firm because her husband was part of this great tradition. She could have joined the 31st December Women's Movement and saved her career, but she chose loyalty to her convictions over the security of her salary. My stepfather, a hard-working mason foreman at Pomazi Pottery Enterprise in Winneba, found himself demoted and transferred to Ankerfo Warehouse after the 1996 elections. Not for incompetence, not for any professional failing, but for the crime of wearing his NPP allegiance openly. His expertise, his years of dedicated service, his proven competence, all rendered worthless by political vindictiveness. And my own dad, a civil servant at the Ministry of Agriculture's Mechanization Division, became a casualty of his own courage for daring to challenge the junta's excesses. He was not merely dismissed, he was forced into exile in La Côte d'Ivoire when an opportunity arose for him to serve at the UN in Geneva. The very ministry that had cast him out refused to release his clearance letter. A 39-year-old man in his prime was forced into retirement, his expertise wasted, his family shattered, his dreams destroyed by the very petty vindictiveness of those who could not tolerate dissent. But let me tell you, what this meant for a young boy trying to make sense of the world where principle came at such a crashing cost. The economic turmoil that followed these acts of political persecution nearly destroyed my education. School fees became mountains too high for a broken family to climb. As my parents struggled, my mother without her teaching post, my stepfather demoted to menial work, my father in exile, my educational future hung by the thinnest of threads. It was only through the bursary I won from Dr. Papa Kwesi Ndom that my educational path was salvaged from the wreckage of political vindictiveness. But how many brilliant young minds were we able to save? How many dreams did we allow to die in the darkness of political persecution? How many children of MPP families saw their future sacrificed on the altar of their parents' principles? This is what loyalty came at a cost to my family. This is what standing for the MPP meant in practical terms. Not just political rhetoric, but empty plates, unpaid school fees, scattered families, and dreams deferred. Yet my parents never wavered. They understood something that perhaps we have forgotten, that our individual grievances pale in comparison to the collective good we serve.
Kasembi ese de abasobo de ese fatano no wasi yetim e de man we de wana bo afenyo maken we wa ya de pa because enchechere a wode emma yesuafo a omutimi ekoto omo ewo dwumede na se ene se nipa bia no obobra wo se wode nokaridie esi wani so ene emfa woni bebia wo fiti se wo ko suku o uwe adwumba bi mo empo wo fie mo wo se wo ye very loyal to nipa omo be wo no ode na brabo mfato ho de na se ne loyalty ene de na bedum pepenso a wadui evize yenim se onabo afenyo ken woko elmina dia omunsi ne form because elmo wo ho no tese omu nyane mpo oye nipa bia enano a yebeto abai otimi etuetua enkofo bi fees ma omo anya esuafo bia bi si no mo tro ya omo resource ba ye prospectus ne ade otimi emo musika se be ye omo fa enkototo ene na we all knew say na it was part of the campaign, but at the same time no is somebody a oye ayemuye na eno na woka say amanyoko na kasa no MPP amanyoko no so obeko wanimpa de na wo say we are very loyal, we are no kwaridifo, we are obi a uma wani eku adwuma ho anye sa aban adwuma mo na akasa wuntumi enye enza we ade a wodi ani bre we obi a ani bre na si wani so jealousy I read wuntumi emedi eye oman suda wuntumi emba aban mu fi se honom no se ne wo yeti fie a yehu omo TV so na obi ekeka omadwen e kire no honom o hio say ke wona anka wadru onom a anka you be doing the same thing because na wo de numpo why ya atra na so no de si ano o se de owo enye fiti ni sukukom ne masukukom adwuma a wo ye nyina is due to MPP amanyoko no sompa wasumo man no enti now no o share video ni ya otumu se ne nsabe nkum so wonom wanko na honom na ye papa ya wadutwum former education minister ogina honom a ono so odine nu nyam eta na chi enti eno de adwumade na se no MPP fo ekukudampo na ekohiem ewo honom a na omo amaniema etumi ayefe na bibia etumi akonkan ama amanyoko because now no we all know say the party no esi akoye senchichemu kakra bi abadi utunkofo enan ya omudi apie free amanyoko emu so mo pese omo ne baomia enkompiti ewo flag bearership race no na so ye papa kofo mampanyina da ama amanyoko na tiasese ma omo emma di abeto enimi entity eye amanyoko no entem because obi beka se me dem peken asem me dem pe baomia asem me dem pe Brian Champon asem eno de it's all your cup of tea. You want kasa wo cup of tea. It is a wo to be a chia. Manisha wa adinimu. Ay manisha ha. Fam na bonten Emma obi emeka se ai ana obeka se we ye say echire no bibisi a ebeba osobo. Enti na se futu nsema ono so ede ma amanyukun eno no se amanyukun ni mu de e wo se we very loyal. Se de be ya ubetimi akonkan e obi bia we bia emu nti we ya futu kakra nye we enkoma MPP amanyukun ni pe koma Ghana fo nyina youth no nyina ye kan ho afanyoma kan say so we loyal bibia bekoto tin e de ama e wa brabo we mu